Get true labels from Keras generator. I want to use scikit-learn.confusion_matrix, y_true, y_pred, to create a confusion matrix for a Keras model. After training a model, I can use predict_generator to get predictions for a test dataset, which gives me y_pred. How can I get the corresponding true labels, y_true, from a data generator?
Generator.classes will give you observed values in sparse format. You probably need it in dense, i.e., one-hot encoded format. You could get that with. Note though, you must set the generator's shuffle attribute to false before generating the predictions and fetching the observed classes, otherwise your predictions and observations will not line up.
After creating a data generator, either your own or the built-in image editor generator, use your trained model to make predictions. scikit-learn's confusion matrix expects a 1D array of labels, so you have to convert your predictions using np.argmax. Then you can use those variables directly in the confusion_matrix function. And you can plot it using the example plot_confusion_matrix function found here. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.